Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Snowflake role-based access for analytics step by step clearly. To configure role-based access in Snowflake for analytics, begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Navigate to the admin section in the Snowflake dashboard. In the left sidebar, select Roles. Click on the Create button to add a new role for analytics. Give your role a meaningful name, such as analytics_read_only. In the role settings, provide a description that outlines. Save the role to complete the creation process. Next, you will need to assign users to this new role. Navigate to the Users section from the left sidebar. Select the user you want to assign to the analytics role. Click on the Roles tab for that user. Use the Assign Role option and choose your newly created role. Save the changes to associate the role with the user. Now, configure the permissions for the analytics role to access specific databases and schemas. Go to the Databases section from the main dashboard. Select the database you want to grant access to. Click the Grants tab to manage access rights. Under the Permissions section, click on Add to specify the privileges. Choose the necessary privileges, such as Usage and Select, for the analytics role. Apply the changes to grant access. Repeat this process for any additional schemas or databases that users will need to access for analytics purposes. Once all permissions are set, conduct a test to ensure access is correctly configured. Log in as the user linked to the analytics role. Attempt to access the designated database or run queries. If everything is set up correctly, the user should be able to perform the intended analytics tasks. If there are any access issues, revisit the role and permissions to ensure proper configuration. Document the role setup and permissions for future reference and auditing. Your Snowflake role-based access for analytics is now fully configured. This setup enhances your data security while allowing users the necessary access for their analytics tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.